equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Soft cloth for cleaning. 4. Tweezers, optional. 5. Replacement control panel. Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Lay out your tools on a clean, flat surface. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth handy to clean any dust or debris inside the appliance. Step 2. Removing the old control panel ***. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding it in place. Now, you'll see the control panel connected to the main unit. Step 3. Disconnecting the control panel ***. Locate the connector that links the control panel to the main circuit board. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the connector loose. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation. Step 4. Cleaning the interior ***. With the control panel removed, take a moment to clean the interior of your Thermomix. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or food particles. This will ensure that your appliance remains in good condition and functions optimally. Step 5. Installing the new control panel ***. Now it's time to install the new control panel. Align the connector with the main circuit board and press it firmly into place. Ensure it's secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. Once connected, carefully position the new control panel into the housing. Make sure it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. Step 6. Reassembling the Thermomix ***. Replace the back cover of the Thermomix, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure everything is secure. Step 7. Testing the new control panel ***. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. Test the new control panel to ensure all functions are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your appliance in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.